In a world where whispers of rain danced upon leaves, the forest stood as a guardian. "Why do you stand so firm?" asked the curious breeze. "I cradle the rain," replied the forest, guiding it gently to the earth. Streams meandered through roots, slowing their rush, preventing chaos below. Together, we weave a tapestry of calm. The forest murmured to the clouds. As storms gathered, the forest's embrace softened their fury, nurturing life beneath its canopy. "We are the silent protectors," it whispered, holding back the flood with grace.